Cooking beef soup. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I put a lot of corn bell pepper in the beef soup to add flavor. Yes guys, this is really delicious. Good for lunch and dinner. Beef soup, it is good for the steamed rice. Yes, I'm going to cook steamed rice with this beef soup. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you will be updated with my upcoming videos. Thank you so much guys and see you again next time. Bye!